Hey guys, now I just wanted to quickly tell people about this. If you're thinking about starting up a business and you need a way to collect emails, the emails software marketing company called ConvertKit, which is one of the companies, they are now offering a free, quite interesting, that's actually, they're doing something that I've never seen before. They're offering free landing pages, okay? So they're going premium. Yes, that's right, just in time for 7th year birthday. Computers making switch and then a completely free plan, guys, okay? Now, yes, you still need a website. You can get free websites with such companies as you get 2 free websites if you join up with a company called Wealthy Affiliate. I'll leave a link for them below. I started with them, then I moved over to Bluehost, which is like $2. I think at the moment it might be the cheapest on the, like, I looked high and low for best website hosting people, and I went with Bluehost because I'd heard such good things about them, and that suited my sort of what I wanted to do best, you know, my budget, etc. So I'll leave a link for Bluehost as well. But now I'll tell you guys about another free, it's actually quite awesome, free sort of opt-in page for your, or way you can collect emails for your business. Your website is a website by Neil Patel. It's called Hello Bar. Okay, I'll leave, if I remember, I'll leave a link for that as well. Hello Bar. Now, what you can do, Hello Bar is excellent. It is also free. However, as soon as you get 5,000 visitors per month on your website, which is not much, guys, because I've recently just started with a website, and I'm almost up to 5,000 already, and I think of, and I left, you know, I didn't get Hello Bar till sort of late, sort of a month or two after I started. So I'm just about at 5,000 views a month, but I've only got just about 20 emails. Okay, so that's the problem with Hello Bar. But ConvertKit, they're doing something brand new. I've never seen this before. What happens, guys? So you get your landing pages and that, okay, say you want a website, you can grab a website, like I say, you can get 2 free websites by Wealthy Affiliate. I'll leave a link for that. I'll leave a link for this ConvertKit, this free plan, sign up. Now, what are they doing that's different? So you can build your landing page, okay, for your opt-in page, basically. So they've got 30 different templates for opt-in, and you've got unlimited landing pages that you can use. Okay, now obviously the first thing you're going to say is, well, how do I get, I'll just tell you, hold on, where is it? Okay, invite a friend to unlock subscribers and broadcast sending. Now, a lot of these companies use flash words to confuse you, I think. Don't worry about this broadcast sending. Basically, unlock the ability, subscribers is, people that opt into, they give you your email, okay? Now, guys, this is the amazing thing about this. For every person that gives you the email on your opt-in, your landing page, they will give you the ability to send emails up to 100 people, okay? and so on and so on, and then that okay, and that applies obviously to the person that opted in. You can keep sending invites to unlock another 100 subscribers for free with each accepted invite, and that goes up to, for every person you get to sign up, you'll have the ability to bump up your limit to 1,000. 1,000 for free, guys. That's freaky. That's pretty good. Now most companies will charge you. Now you can either upgrade to, if you invite a friend, to a referral program, and the ability to broadcast up to, so that's the freebie. So there's that. Let's have a look at, okay, 2 ways to upgrade. Invite a friend. So yeah, like I say, if all you have to do is get a mate to sign up, and then automatically you then have the ability to sign up, to send out to 100 people. Okay, full account with up to, or you can just do that straight away. Pay $29 a month and upgrade to a full account with up to 1,000. But guys, if you're strapped for cash, I mean, this is pretty amazing offer, really, if you think about it. You get 10 people to sign up, okay? Get 10 mates. Get 10 mates to sign up, your family or whatever. All you have to do is, they give you your email, and 10 people, and then you have the ability, guys. So you've got your 10, your mother-in-law and your kids and your grandparents and your friends have all signed up. 10 of them have signed up. Now you have the ability to send out, and to send out to 1,000 people, and to get people up to 1,000 people signing up. Okay, that's just because you got 10 people, your friends or family, to sign up. Okay, so you get 10 people to sign up, and then that's for free, guys. Okay, and look at this. Or the other way is, straight away you can pay $29 a month, but that'll do the same thing as this. So why wouldn't you go with this? I will leave the link to this free offer below. Just run around getting all your friends, your family to sign up, and you will have what other people are paying $29 a month and more sometimes, and if they're with another company. So like I say, now what am I doing, and why would you need this, guys? In my opinion, the best business online by far, no question about it as far as I'm concerned, is affiliate marketing. Okay, and for affiliate marketing, it's best if you have an email. You get people, subscribers, or people signing up. Why? Because then later on you can build up any relationships with them, so that you can offer them, if your website is selling products or a review blog site or whatever, and you are got affiliate links, you want to resend to those people that sign up. Okay, guys. Okay, so say you're selling, I don't know, Xbox consoles. You got an affiliate link on Amazon for an Xbox console. Now, so they sign up, and then later on, a couple of days later, or 1 week later, or whatever, or if you find a affiliate network, you find some games that they're selling. Like whatever, Halo, Call of Duty, etc. And you can get affiliate links for those games, and then in the email let those people that know that have signed up for, opted in, given you their email address, you can tell them that you've now got games for sale, on your website or whatever. Okay, so there you go. And for it's preferable that you do have a paid web hosting, because most affiliate networks like you to have paid web hosting, because they say that you'll be more committed if you're paying for a paid website, which I would say is true, but there are definitely exceptions to that. So there you go, guys. So start if you're thinking about starting a business, affiliate marketing is the best business by far, in my opinion. You have got the ability now to do this. Get 10 friends. You will have a free way, basically, of collecting people's email, up to 1,000 emails, and you will have the ability to send out 1,000 emails, guys. Do you know how amazing that is? This is an awesome idea, and I'm glad to see companies thinking outside the square and doing new things. Okay, so like I say, if you do want a two free websites, I will put a link below for Wealthy Affiliate, is what the website's called. I will leave a link for Bluehost, which I'm with, web hosting. That's where I've got my website with. Bluehost, awesome company, good prices, good support. What do you call it? Tech support, etc. And what else? I will leave a link for this to sign up for this free. Start collecting up to 1,000 people. Up to 1,000 people can opt in to and you better get their emails. Okay. This is not only important for people that just starting business, but I would say there will be a lot of people that will actually be, changing over to this. Okay. I've actually got two email marketing softwares going. Like I said, I'm with that Hello Bar, and I'm also with GetResponse. Now, admittedly, I can do more with GetResponse, but yes, I would say if I knew about this before I signed up with GetResponse, I would probably have gone with this, guys, because it's free, and I could have got 10 people to sign up quite easily. Yeah. I mean, look at that website. I've already collected 15, so there's my 15. I would have my ability to send out to 1,000, and collect up to 1,000 right there already. So there you go, guys. I hope this has been of help. Like I say, I'll leave all the links below. Link for 2 free websites. Link for website hosting. Now with Bluehost. Now that is not free, guys. But it's some of the best prices you'll find on the internet. I think I am paying about $2.50 a month, $2 something like $2.90 or something. And I'll leave a link obviously for GetResponse.